When you need information about your Salesforce instance, maintenance issues, or downtimes, you can go to trust.salesforce.com. It's a Salesforce community's homepage for real-time information on system performance and security. There's a live and historical data on system performance and also up-to-the-minute information on planned maintenance. You can see the system status for North America instances, Asia Pacific, Europe, Middle East, Africa instances, and also your sandbox instances. We can see if there are any performance issues or service disruption. Look at the URL to find out what instance you are using, and then add all the instances of your org. This is like a snapshot. This would be your go-to location for maintenance issues or downtimes. There is also a place for exchange of ideas for Salesforce community. That is ideas.salesforce.com. Here, you can suggest new features, vote and comment on favorite ideas. Ideas with highest number of votes would be considered for development in new releases of Salesforce.